Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. It's the end of the month and that means it's time to work in our Relax glue book. And I am so ready to relax because this has been quite a busy month so far. Besides Easter holiday, I also had 3 birthdays. 2 were my kids and 1 was my husband. And they're all like weeks within each other. So I had just been so stinking busy this month. Plus I've been doing a lot of collaborations and yeah, a lot of collaborations. And I'm working on some swaps as well that are upcoming. So I've just been busy with a lot of stuff. How has y'all month been? Let me know in the comments. Has it been busy as mine? And how was y'all holiday? I hope y'all all had a good Easter holiday for those of you that celebrate. If not, I hope you just had a good day in general. Ooh, I like this saying. I might put that there. I just took out a bunch of different images today. I don't even know where I'm going with anything. Guess we might just see what I like. Put this down here. Let's see, I just put out the flip through of the Roses and Neutrals journal. And that was for Junk Journal Madness, which is a open collaboration hosted by Susan at I Totally Love It. That was a lot of fun. Each month she picks, well, she has people volunteer to co-host with her that month. And you roll dice to see how many items you need in the junk journal and stuff like that. So it was a fun little challenge, and it was not hard at all. My little journal I made out of a notebook and it came together so quickly. So I had a lot of fun doing that this month. I've been playing around with my new Maniology nails plate stamping stuff. I've never done nail art before, and I've always loved nails since I was a kid. I'd rather have my nails done than have my makeup done. So I'm trying to branch out now and learn different techniques for that. So I'm having fun learning this stamping stuff. Have you guys learned anything new lately? Let me know. Oh, she is so fun. Oh, I think I like that. I'll put her right here. Yep, I'm gonna put her just right there. Am I in the frame here? Let's hope so. I think last time I did my glue book, I might have been a little bit off camera. Goodness. So hopefully May is going to be a more relaxing month. I don't have as much. I mean, I have some swaps I have to work on to get out in June. But other than that, I think May is going to be a pretty chill month as far as recording goes. Oh, where did I put? Oh, here it is. So I don't want to lose this. I still want to put this somewhere. Still put that up there. This, like, yeah. I love these glow books and how fun I see that you guys are enjoying these glue books pages as well. They're so relaxing. That's what I really love about them. I've been looking forward to sitting down and just making this video this month. Just to create some art with, you know, without a purpose. Ooh, this one would be pretty with the color. I think I might cut it in half. I think I might do something like this. Let me put this one over here. Let's get there. These I made from book pages and markers. They were so fun. My little stash of paper, though, for our glue book is getting a little thinned out. So maybe I think we're going to do a harvesting, a magazine harvest video where I show you guys different images. I'm going to eventually cut out and add to our little bin of goodies here. Oh, I like that blue. Let's see. I'm going to put that right there. I'll just take some of this white off though. And I don't care if it's not cut straight. It adds character. Oh, I like that right there. This is giving cozy, rustic vibes. Except for maybe her. She's saying let's party. She like broke out of her college and is going to the city for a big party. That's what's going on. Maybe this is her cottage back here. Oh, too late. That would have been cute right there too. Let's see if I could pull this up without ripping it. There we go. Her little seaside cottage here. More like an estate, huh? Than a cottage. With her little flowers. So I like her little honey she gets. And then she's taking a break and she's going to party it up in the city. Oh, I like how this one came out. I think this is perfect. I love it. Thank you guys for joining me for another glue book page. I can't wait to see you at the end of the month for another one. Thank you for joining me. Until next time. Bye.